Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI. It is so important that I create healthy meals for my family, and this Aucma standing mixer helps me to do just that. I love the fact that it's so easy to use. It helps me in the kitchen to be quick, efficient, and not only that, it's always ready to go. It comes with all the attachments that I need to make delicious, healthy bread, pizza, snacks, everything I want to deliver a beautiful meal to my family. It has 3 different attachments that I love. All I have to do is snap it in. It's so easy to use. I love that. I love the suction feet on the bottom. This mixer does not move. It's quiet, but it's powerful. And these suction cups helps it to stay in place while you make your delicious meals. It has this huge stainless steel bowl, nothing sticks to it. It's easy to put onto the blender with just a twist. It locks in place and it does not move. I love that it has this clear see-through guard that has a hole here that you can pour your ingredients in, and at the same time, it protects from splatter. What I really love is that it's so lightweight and easy to store in a small space. But best of all, I love the beautiful blue color. It comes in so many different colors, so it's easy to match it to your decor. I love my Aucma standing mixer. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.